I'll show you how you can apply RIA coupon codes at checkout. If you're using outside coupon website here, like for example, Coupon Follow, if you tap on show coupon code here, and you can tap on redeem at RIA, it'll automatically redeem it at you for RIA, right? So if you're already logged in, if you already have your account, it'll automatically redeem it for you. And this will work for every coupon codes. If you tap on show this coupon code and tap on redeem at RIA, it'll automatically redeem it for you at RIA as well. Again, it's work for all coupon code. For example, if I scroll all the way down here, for example, and then I tap on only $0 with RIA coupon code, I'll tap on show this coupon code, and then I can tap on redeem at RIA right here, right? And it'll automatically redeem it for me right then and there. So that's how you do it if you're in Coupon Follow. But what if you have your own coupons and you want to redeem it on the app? I'm going to show you how to do that as well. If you're on the app, there should be a button, and when you press on that button, it'll show this UI right here. And you can enter in the code on that box right there, and you can apply the code. Once you apply the code, it should work out just like this, and then you can see the first transfer fee will be very free.